Hey, are you scratching your head about what foods you need to put in your plant-based pantry? Well, listen up because today I'll share 5 must-haves every plant-based pantry needs so you're just not eating lettuce. Hey, beautiful people. I'm Elisa from Choosing My Health, where I teach you how to transition to a whole food plant-based lifestyle and thrive if you recently became plant-based or thinking about it. Knowing how to fill your pantry can be a little daunting, especially because there are so many food options out there. The good news is you only need about 5 food categories for your pantry because they'll form the bulk of what should eat and make life way easier. By the way, I do like lettuce. I just can't eat it all day, every day. You know how some people think all you eat on a plant-based diet is grass? No, category number one, produce, produce. It's the most obvious, but it's also the most important. Make sure you stock your kitchen with tons of fruit and vegetables. People who make fruits and veggies a staple in their diet are likely to have a reduced risk of chronic diseases. My fruit staples are bananas, apples, berries, and avocados. Bananas are filling and delicious, and smoothies, and love apples as a quick snack with some nut butter berries for their antioxidant power, and avocados are an amazing healthy fat. And besides, who lives without avocado music for veggies? I like an assortment of greens, onions for cooking, celery and carrots for juicing, and for my root veggies, a yuca and sweet potato category. Legumes. Number two, legumes. Gotta have them legumes. They're high in protein and fiber. I love stocking my pantry with chickpeas because they make delicious curries, and lentils. They cook super quick. Black beans are also an excellent option. They're so versatile. I always try to soak and pressure cook my beans in my instant pot for easier digestibility. There are tons of delicious beans to choose from, so choose the ones you like. Category number three, whole grains. Whole grains. These all-rounders are a nutrient-dense addition to your pantry. They contain fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. I like to have brown rice, quinoa, and millet on hand for anything from patties, stir fries, to breakfast porridges. Now, just the word for the wise, whole grains are awesome, but they do contain phytic acid, which can block nutrient absorption. So an effective way to combat this is by simply soaking them overnight and in acid medium like lemon juice or apple cider vinegar at a warm temperature. And you can also sprout them or cook them in a pressure cooker like an instant pot. Even still, I try not to overdo grains. Category number four, very milk cheese alternatives. Milk and cheese, please. Now, you can always make your own milk, but if you like to have it on hand, there are a ton of nut milk options out there at home. We enjoy almond milk, and for aiming for something sweet and creamy, we use coconut milk from the car. Innit milk is also a great option because it's naturally rich in high-quality plant-based protein. And when choosing store-bought milks, I always go for unsweetened to avoid added sugars. As for cheese, we always have nutritional yeast flakes on hand for cheese recipes. And you're interested in some, check the link in the description box for the Hook food category number five. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds. A boatload of vitamins and minerals and essential amino acids. You don't want to forget these in your pantry. We rotate walnuts, almonds, and cashews at home. They can be added to just about any recipe. Flax seeds are also staple. They're cheap and they're rich in the omega-3 fatty acid ALA, which has been shown to have many health benefits. I also enjoy stocking up on sunflower and pumpkin seeds. Of course, this is not an exhaustive list, but if you include these 5 food categories, you'll be well on your way to a very balanced pantry. Make sure you subscribe for more plant-based tips and encouragement, and click the link in the description box for your free gift guarantees to jumpstart your plant-based journey or the winner. Today, please join me and say, I'm choosing my health.